level is quite comfortable.
Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong graced the Kunai Tynrai Festival held at Umden, Nongtluh yesterday. The festival was organised by the Nongtluh Area Farmer Association, aimed to showcase the rich cultural heritage of Rai Nongtluh in Riboy district, with a special emphasis on the significance of Organises. Addressing as the chief guest, Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong commends the Nongtluh Area Farmer Association for organising such an event with the primary goal of preserving their own cultural and traditional practices. He further emphasized the importance of continuing to rear silkworms in Rai Nongtluh as their expertise in area silk production is globally recognized.
Nongtluh Farmers Association Batpin kamai man gesni lese si hajar khatsan spa sisni nangdo gidiok kata ngakwa ban ong ye pi namar kata nakaliang jog sorka balenga kren mena kapasgang ngikwa ban kentiu yaki SSG ngikwa ban ya trailang bat ki SSG.
Congress leader Saling